In this video, we're gonna learn how to take photos in Hayvee. So simply open any work order. I'm gonna open this work order. So if I'm visiting the property, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just read the entire description. Then I can also view the work order. I can simply view the work order like this. Okay, I saw that. Now I can simply click on this check in at property button. When I do that, I will be checked in at the property. Now I can see there are like two buttons. One is for photo and one is for video. So I'll start with photos. When I click on it, there are two options. There are like use task or continue to camera. When you use continue to camera, there is no task involved in it. You can capture as many photos as you want and you can start taking pictures. Like the camera will gonna open and you can start taking the pictures. I just gonna show you how you can do that. If you click on this continue to camera, and then you can start taking some pictures. Like that's how you're gonna take multiple photos. But why we recommend task? Because when you take the photos with continue to camera, like directly here, then these photos will gonna be in a general bucket. I'll just gonna show you in this media section. So you can see that there are multiple photos in here, like total 8 photos. And when I click on this categorization, like the folder button, all the photos will be in uncategorized. So once you like want to submit this work order to the client side, or you just want to track it down, you have to like look into all the photos. So we have like better option. When you click on this photo icon, use task, which is like recommended option, here you have the task created. So we have like property verification. Simply click on property verification photos, click on street sign photo, and then you can just capture the street sign, and then you can done. House number photo, then front of house photos, and you can simply mark it complete. That way your field crew will definitely gonna know that, hey, I have like 2 tasks assigned to me, one is completed. Of course, we have to take multiple property condition photos, which we can use like the general camera. But if you're doing like a specific job like winterization or any bid approval, we would recommend you to use tasks. That way all of your photos will be categorized and you can easily track them. So in the drive winterization, when I can simply open the task section, I can capture the water shot of it curve photo. Okay, I can take it. Then main water wall drip photo. Let me put some photos in here, and then you can just follow this task and you can start taking the pictures. So we have this flashlight option. So if the room is too dark, you can just toggle this flashlight and it will be on directly from your phone and you can start taking the pictures. We have some zoom option as well that you can use, but that's how you're gonna add the photos if you're using the task option, which is like the recommended option for you. And I'm not gonna take photos in all because I think 3 is enough. This is just a test environment, so it's better to make it short, but I can just mark it complete. And then I can just simply go back. So I have assigned 2 tasks and I have already completed it. And I can just go ahead and start taking some property condition photos, and I can use the general camera. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, so we have taken photos like this specific task. We have taken photos in drive initialization task, which is great. We have taken photos in property identification task, which is like absolutely fine. And now when I click on this media and view gallery, and I can click on this folder option, now I can see that the drive initialization photos are separated. Drive initialization water meter photos are separated. Same with property verification photos with like house numbers separated, street signs separated, and these are all the uncategorized photos. Now, of course, I will be at the property and I saw that there is one tree which is touching the property. So I just need to take photos of it. What I can do, I can, of course, do the general thing, but if I can use the task, it's very easy for me to track how many bits I have given. Like you can simply click on this plus icon, click on this bid, and I can simply with tree trimming in here, And if I want to give the price, it's good. I just want to put 0 right now. Okay, now I saw there is a tree, so I can take a picture in the bid photos. And I can also take some measurement photos if I'm like measuring the diameter of a tree or something. So now I have taken like 3 bid photos and 2 measurement photos, and I can just mark complete. But hey, there are some measurement notes as well that I can save. So what I can do is I just want to let the admin know that this is a 32-inch diameter and 15 feet long. We need to trim the tree, touching the right side of the roof, and I can just save it. So now I submitted 1 bid. So let's see if I want to submit more bids. I can simply click on this plus icon and just click on this bid, fence repair, right? And I can simply click some bid photos, and here are some measurement photos. And in the measurement node, I can put 20 linear feet. And like here, you can put how to fix and work notes, but I'm just gonna put, I can just leave it blank, or I can just put need to trim, sorry, need to okay, now I can just save it, mark it complete. And now we have property verification task, which is done. We have bids, which is done. We have invalidation task, which is also done. So I completed all the tasks. I added 2 bids in it. And then if I want to record any video, I can simply click on it. It's a general bucket. So all the videos will be in the general buckets. And here's the gallery. Now I can see some bids in here. Yeah, fence repair bid, fence repair measurement. Great. Now I can mark this work order complete. So how I can do that? I can simply click on this out button and I can check out and complete. And when you do the checkout, it will gonna ask you, what did you complete? So we complete, I can just put when completed, add note and mark it complete. So now that's how you're gonna mark the work order complete basically. For admin, you can of course change the status directly in here. And in next video, I'm gonna let you know how you can generate the invoice reports and the bid reports in single click. That's all for today. Have a great day.